Hi my beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. Today I have bought an amazing recipe, a scrub recipe which you can quickly and easily prepare with your kitchen ingredients. This is going to make your skin look youthful, and your dull skin is going to just disappear. Your tan, you can actually say goodbye to your tan, right? Okay, let's start how to prepare this recipe. Let's begin with the ingredients first. So I have taken rice flour, okay. I have taken a little bit curd, coffee powder and lemon, okay. So we are going to mix this. This scrub is sufficient for your face and neck. If you're using for your arms and legs, you can actually accordingly increase the proportion. Okay, let's get started. So to the rice flour, I'm going to put 2-3 spoons of yogurt, curd, that is dahi, okay. And see the consistency first. This has to be little runny. It shouldn't be dry and thick, okay. Yeah, this is fine. I'm going to add coffee powder. It nicely, and you can add a few drops of lime. I'm sure this is going to take away all the tan that you have gathered. Okay, so mix it well this way. Now you're going to gently scrub all over your face and neck. I'll just show it in my hand. Okay, gently you're going to rub it. 5-10 minutes you rub it slowly and gently, and you nourish your skin with this scrub. It's very effective. I've tried many times, guys. I'm going to add little bit Besan. Okay, mix it well, and a few drops of mustard oil. Just 2-3 drops. That's enough. Okay, and mix it nicely. The consistency, this is perfect for the scrub. Okay, so gently you're going to massage on your face and neck. You can use it for your arms and legs as well. Okay, I'll just rub it on my hands and show you. Gently you're going to massage it and scrub your skin. Leave it for some time and then rinse it off. There you have your beautiful, youthful, radiant skin. I'm sure you would like my videos, and please subscribe to my channel.